Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and log in into your Messenger app with your account details. Now for that, first of all you need to have your Messenger application installed in your phone. To install the application, go to your Google Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Messenger. There you can see at the very top the application. You tap install. Once the application is fully installed in your mobile phone, you tap open. Now you can see your Messenger login page. Here you need to provide your Facebook account and password. Now I'm gonna type in my email address for my Facebook account. And then password for my account. And then all you need to do is tap on login. And there you can see you have very easily logged in into your account. Find your phone contacts on Messenger. You can either turn on these settings or you can tap on not now and can do it later as well. Your contacts won't be uploaded. You just tap on OK. Send and receive SMS in Messenger. Here you can just tap on not now. Introducing cross-app messaging. Here tap on done and there you can see you have very easily logged in into the Messenger by your Facebook account details. Hope this video was useful to you on how you can log into your Messenger through your Facebook details very easily. Thank you.